AI isn't just coming for your job, it's coming for your degree. Every year, millions of students spend years and tens of thousands of dollars chasing diplomas that promise stability. But what happens when the job that degree leads to doesn't exist anymore? The world is changing faster than universities can update a syllabus. Artificial intelligence, from ChatGPT to Midjourney, is rewriting the rulebook on what skills are actually valuable. Today we're diving deep into the degrees that may not survive the AI apocalypse. We'll look at which degrees are most at risk, why they're collapsing faster than anyone expected, and most importantly, what you can do to future-proof your education before it's too late. First up, journalism and mass communication. Once, journalists were the gatekeepers of information, but today, AI can write a 1,000-word article in 30 seconds. Platforms like Perplexity and Jasper are producing content faster than any newsroom ever could. Synthetic video tools can even generate entire news segments with realistic avatars. So where does that leave journalism majors? The entry-level jobs, copywriting, editing, news summarizing, are being eaten alive by automation. The future isn't about competing with AI on speed, but doubling down on the human side. Investigative reporting, media ethics, and building audience trust. AI can write the headlines, but it can't hold power accountable, at least not yet. Next, let's talk about business administration. For decades, a business degree was the golden ticket to management, but AI is dismantling the core of business decision-making. Where executives once relied on intuition, they now rely on data, and AI can interpret that data far better than we can. Predictive analytics can forecast sales, optimize logistics, and even decide when to hire or fire employees, all automatically. So what happens when an algorithm becomes a better manager than your MBA? The modern business student needs to evolve. Learn data literacy, understand AI analytics tools, and develop emotional intelligence, something no algorithm can replicate. The future of business isn't about managing people, it's about managing humans and algorithms in harmony. Now, this one's ironic. Computer science. The very degree that built AI might be a casualty of its own success. AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot can now generate entire software projects from a single prompt. They debug faster and don't need coffee breaks. This means fewer internships and fewer entry-level coding jobs. So is CS doomed? Not exactly, but the traditional degree focused on syntax and rote problem-solving is. The next generation of coders will need to be architects, not just builders. They'll specialize in AI model training, human-AI interface design, and ethical alignment. Knowing Python isn't enough anymore. Knowing how to teach an AI to code, that's the future. What about creative fields like graphic design? Once, creativity felt untouchable. Then came generative AI. Midjourney and DALL-E can create breathtaking visuals in seconds. But here's the twist. Design is not the same as art. AI can mimic a style, but it doesn't understand context, emotion, or culture. The future of design belongs to creative directors and strategists who know how to use AI tools without losing the human touch. Let AI handle the pixels, you handle the purpose. Finally, accounting and financial analysis. This used to be a bulletproof career, but now the numbers are being crunched by machines. AI-powered software can analyze transactions, detect fraud, and file taxes automatically. The traditional number-crunching side of accounting is vanishing. The future accountant isn't just a bookkeeper. They're a strategic advisor who helps clients interpret insights and make ethical financial decisions. Pivot toward financial planning and forensic accounting. AI can balance the books, but it can't balance values. So enough of the apocalypse talk. Which degrees will thrive? First, psychology. As automation spreads, humans will crave connection more than ever. Understanding why people think and act the way they do will be a superpower in the age of intelligent machines. Next, education. AI tutors are transforming classrooms, but they'll never replace a great teacher's ability to motivate and inspire. Future educators will design learning ecosystems that blend AI tools with real human mentorship. Then there's ethics, law, and policy. The rules of the AI world haven't been written yet. We need people who can blend technical understanding with moral reasoning to shape the answers to society's biggest questions. AI won't just need engineers, it will need philosophers. Of course, STEM fields like AI, robotics, and data engineering are only getting hotter. And finally, the degree that may never die, entrepreneurship. In every era of disruption, the people who win are the ones who see opportunity in chaos. AI is democratizing creativity, allowing anyone with an idea to build faster than ever. The AI apocalypse isn't the end, it's a reset. Some degrees will fade, while others flourish. But no matter what you study, your greatest skill will always be being human, curious, creative, adaptable, and kind. So don't fear the machines. Learn to dance with them. Because in the end, AI won't replace humans. Humans using AI will replace those who don't. If this video helped you see the future a little clearer, hit that like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments, which degree do you think will survive the AI apocalypse? Remember, the future isn't written yet, you still hold the pen. Thanks for watching.